Hi guys and welcome back. Today we are going to do something fun. But first, I am kind of hungry. So Magic, can you please bring me a snack? Huh? What is this? A banana. But I don't think I can eat these. I think we can unbox these. So, let's inspect them. This one looks like a real banana. It's yellow and green. This one is orange and a bit of yellow. And last but not least, a mystical banana. It's pink and purple. Now all we need to do is open them. Oh, here. Has a little zipper thing like the LOLs. But it's kind of tough. There. All we need to do is unravel the plastic. It actually smells like a banana. Well, anyways, now we must open it like a real banana. There's a little peel. And inside are some blind bags. Oh, one of them is stuck in the back. There we go. And this banana, if you pinch the top, then it recloses. Maybe I can use it as a prank one day. Well, anyways, let's see. Let's open the tall bag. Magic, I need some scissors, please. Oh, thank you. Okay. Careful with scissors. Wouldn't want to cut yourself. There. Oh, I didn't cut far enough. Ooh, it comes with a minty blue vine and a minty blue leaf. Let's see, I think the leaf goes in like that. Perfect. Maybe it's for our little mystery critter to sit on. So here, let's put the trash aside and let's open this small bag. Let's see what it has inside. Oh, it has little friends and some stickers. So it comes with some gem stickers and two little fishes. One is blue and one is yellow. And last but not least, we have the medium-sized bag, which I think will have our surprise toy. Let's see. Oh, I cut it. There. Oh, let's look at the sticker that it comes with. We got an owl toy, and it comes with a little sticker. Now let's look at our little owl. It's so cute. And it has two little friends. Oh, and there's a little hole on the bottom. So I guess it can stick onto its little leaf. So cute. Oh, and the gems must be to decorate it. Let's see. He has some spots on his face, so I'll put the gems right there. Have a light pink gem. And a darker pink gem. And we'll put it on his face. So cute. Okay. Now, we can stick the sticker on the back of its banana. So then we know it's that banana's home. Wonder if it comes with a checklist or anything. Because I want to know who this little owl guy is. Oh well, maybe in our other banana toys there will be one. Okay, so now we need to open another friend for our banana. So let's see. Found the little zipper opening. Hopefully we don't have to unwrap it. It'll come off easily. There we go. Oh, little part on the bottom didn't come off. Let's see. You might have to use the scissors. Oh. There we go. Okay, so now we have our orange banana. And on the back has a blue palm tree. Okay, let's see what we've got. So we got the bag with the little friends inside, our toy, and in the back, the leaf. So here, let's close the banana and open the little friends first. Let's see who we got. Okay, so here we have a strawberry centipede and I think a porcupine grape. Let's put the bag aside. And here we have some gems. Okay, now let's open the leaf. And here we've got a green leaf, straight from the jungle. Let's connect it. And this one is a tough one. Come on. Come on, little leaf. There. And what you can do, there's a little hook on the top. And then there's a little loop on the bottom. So, we can make a whole vine city. Okay, now it's our main surprise. Our main toy. Sticker first. Oh no, you dropped the little fella. It's a little yellow hamster. It is so cute. Okay, now let's put the sticker on the side of his banana. And let's decorate him. Because everything is better with sparkles. Okay, let's see. We'll use a pink sparkle by his eye or on his nose. Then we'll put a purple heart on his belly. Look how cute. Okay. Now let's put him on the leaf. And he has a neighbor. Oh no. Here we go, Mrs. Owl. Back on your branch. Okay, now for our final banana. The mystical one. Maybe it includes a mystical animal. Let's see. This is a pink and purple banana. Does it contain magical powers? I don't know. Does it contain a magical creature? We hope so. And is it very hard to open? Yes. There. Wait, not there. Don't think it wants us to discover its mystical powers. But we must see its mystical powers. There we go. Our mystical banana is ready to be opened. And this one has a checklist. Okay, let's get all the baggies out in the checklist. Finally, we can check who we have and cross them off. That is why this is the mystic banana. Okay, so let's open up the checklist and see who we have so far. Okay. So far, we have Ophia Owl, BFF Jenny Jackalope, and she is a common. And next, we have Hermione Hamster, and her best friend is Kelso Pony, and she's also a common. Okay. Let's open our bag with the little friends in it first. Just like the banana, we have a pink and purple friend. So, first we have a purple avocado butterfly, and then a pink avocado butterfly. Okay. And we have some gemstones. Now we'll just put the trash aside. Okay, now let's open the leaf. We have a golden leaf. Perfect for our mystical friend. Ah! And all we have to do is click in the leaf. Perfect. And now for the moment of truth. We have this little tiger creature. It's so pretty and mystic. No wonder it has a mystical banana. So let's see who we got. We got Teresa Tiger, and her best friend is Marge Moose. Sadly, it's a common, but it's still mystical. Now, let's decorate it with the gemstones. And here we are, our mystical tiger friends. Okay, and last but not least, we need to hang her. I think it's only fair that she gets the top branch. So let's clip it on. It's a bit tough, but we can do it. There we go. Just so they don't fall. And there we have it, our banana unboxing. Now I really am hungry, so I guess I'll go for lunch. After, do one last thing. Mystical banana deserves a mystical tiger friend. So, I guess, since we are done unboxing, bye for now.